programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill. Princess D Ventures Incorporated. Total commitment to providing quality and on-time services. Ang programang ito ay hatid din sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Choose the internet that you deserve. Experience better with Converge. And supported by Vice Governor Dennis Pineda, promoting youth and community development through sports.
Sa CLTV36 Sports, kasama niyo po yung lingkod Paulo G. Santos, kasama si Coach Rudy Montera. Coach, dito na tayo sa ikatlong quarter. Patindi ng patindi itong laban ng Collegiate de Sebastian at System Plus College, na kung saan ito ho'y semi-finals na. Coach, ano ang nakikita mong pambato nitong magkabilang koponan na masasabi nating may kanya-kanya itong original branding ba sa mga nakalipas na ballgame?
Based on the stats for Systems Plus, ang kanilang top scorer ay si number 8, si Yumul. So, in 11 games, he has a total of 133 points. And second scorer nila is Pineda at 106 points for 11 games. And Naku, 82 for 11 games. And si Tumaliwan, 64. Then Crisologo, 79. So that will be for Systems Plus. Now for CDS, ang kanila namang top scorer ay si number 6, ang kanilang premier point guard, si Dalus. In 12 games, meron siyang 129 points. At sinundan siya ni number 5 ni Kasingal at 117 in 12 games. At sinundan naman sila ni Morales, 79. At ni Lagman and Simon at 67. And going back to the ball game, we have another pass break by CDS, but they missed it. Rebound by number 6. Passes to the shooter. Takes the shot, but referee says he stepped on the line. So that will be Systems Plus ball. So makikita po natin, balik ang premier point guard ng Systems Plus, si Pineda. Try to set up the play, passes to the shooter, inside pass. Yumul try to create space, no good. Rebound by number 27 of CDS. Number 6 trying to set up the play. Coach Jerry calling out the play. Number 2 has the ball, passes to number 23. Looking for the open man, number 5 has it. Trying to create some space and drives and counted, 2 points. So we have now 31-27 in favor of the Spears. Pineda calling out the play. Passes to Naku. Yumul then to number 10. No good. Number 6 again. Pass break. Pass to 23. Inside pass. Counted. Mukhang umaalagwa ang CDS sa opening ng ating third quarter. Sir Paulo.
Sabi nga ni Coach Flores, Coach Rudy, huwag mo lang bigyan ng pagkakataon itong aking mga atleta. Kung hindi, pauulanan kita na maraming fast break. Ayan na ho.
Ayan na naman, another fast break point. Courtesy of number 2 with a steal of number 6. Talaga itong si Dalus, matindi ang depensa nito. We now have an 8-point lead by the Spears. Naku tries for a 3-point shot. Mintes para sa Systems Plus. But they would get the same ball Systems Plus bola. O nga, Kasisimula pa lang, less than 2 minutes. Umarangkada na kaagad ng Spears and they have now an 8-point lead.
Tumitindi po itong depensa ngayon ng CDS, Collegiate de Sebastian.
Dito natin makikita, Sir G, ang composure ng Systems Plus. Kailangan nilang sumabay dito. Kung hindi, may iwanan sila ng Spears dito. Kagaya nun, good defense by Systems Plus. Nakuha yung bola. Naku, time for a pass break layup. Still no good. He gets his own rebound and he scores. Si number 45, Naku, one of the top scorers ng Blue Panthers. Okay. CDS start to set up the play. Open shot. Number 27 for 3.
Yan ang mga pambulagang bato sa tres nitong Collegiate de Sebastian, Coach Rudy. Kapag hinawakan ang bola nitong mga 3-point shooter ng CDS.
Counter 3-point shot by number 21 of Systems Plus. So hindi po bumibitaw dito ang Blue Panthers. Sinasabayan po nila ang Spears. In terms of offense and defense, sumasabay po sila. That's why we only have a 6-point lead. Pass break by Systems. Again, another steal by Dalus of the Spears. Takes the shot. Doesn't make it. He rebounds again. One of the littlest guy, pero nag-rebound po si Dalus of the Spears. Yun lang, medyo traveling. Bilib ako sa sipag ng mga CDS, Sir Paolo.
Alam mo, Coach Rudy, itong Sinako, dito masusubukan yung komunikasyon ng kanyang kapwa manlalaro sa ilalim. Papaano dedepensahan yung mga pambulagang bato sa tres. Magkabila ito no? Kaya maganda yung matchup ng Collegiate de Sebastian at ng System Plus College Foundation.
Both teams have designated shooters. Both teams loves to play trap defense and both teams loves to run. So, talagang evenly match to. So, let's just wait kung paano mag-react ang Systems Plus with the kind of defense na ginagawa ngayon ng Spears na talagang matinding depensa ang ginagawa. Number 21, Kumaliwan. Open shot but misses. Number 9, rebound, out of bounds. That'll be same ball, Systems Plus ball. Let's see kung anong klaseng inbound play ang gagawin dito ng Systems Plus.
Muli ang programa po ito.
Outside, open shot.
Corporate batching plan. We commit with
A lot of open shots. Hindi lang nako-convert. Pero okay. I think there's a change of possession when they now the Spears ball. Naka-trap formation po ang Systems Plus ngayon. Number 6 looking for someone to pass to. Almost a steal by number 16, Pineda. So naghihigpit na rin po ang depensa ng Systems Plus.
Coach Rudy, gaano ka-critical yung kalamangan ng puntos na 4?
At this point, Paolo, hindi pa siya masyado crucial, no? Kasi there's still a lot of time. But in terms of getting the momentum, in terms of having that confidence if you have the lead, so dun lang papasok yung factor na yun. Pero I think for both teams, as long as they maintain, kung ikaw yung naghahabol, ma-maintain mo lang single digit towards the fourth quarter, kayang habulin niya if they do the same defense that they've been doing right now. Systems Plus trying to set up the play. Pineda calling out the play. Pasa kay Yumul, balik kay Pineda, balik sa shooter 21, sabay sa ilalim. Number 12, air ball. Medyo mabilis yung rotation ng bola for Systems Plus, pero mabilis din mag-react ang depensa ng CDS. So even if there's an open shot, air ball tayo kasi mabilis yung pag-react ng depensa.
Dito naman ako
Technical foul, number 11.
Coach Rudy, dito naman ako hanga sa mga referee natin. Talagang hindi ka makakawala sa kanilang mata.
Oo, minsan yung mga second motion, kitang-kita ng mga referee yan, talagang tatawagan nila yan. They need to control the game. So, kudos din sa ating mga referee dahil isang factor yon para magkaroon tayo ng magandang ball game is yung efficiency ng ating mga referee. And for UCAAP, we have that. So, kudos, reps. Inbound play tayo. Pineda for Systems Plus. Calling out the play. It should be the same play as before. Tumaliwan, open shot from the 3 points. Still misses. Third consecutive miss na yan ni Tumaliwan for the third quarter sa 3-point attempt niya. So, hindi nalilibre, pero libre talaga si Tumaliwan. It just so happened, hindi na ako convert. Probably later, papasok din yan. Sabi ko nga sa mga shooter ko, tira lang ng tira, papasok din yan. First try, on the free throw na ako. In. Second, in also. Our score, 38-35 in favor of CDS. It's only a 3-point lead. So nababa po ng System Plus yung lead from 8. Tatlo na lang po ngayon. And still, by Systems Plus, Tumaliwan misses again. Sayang yung steal na yun. Number 6, dribbling. Guarded by Tumaliwan. Fresky defense. Number 6, pops out to the shooter, number 2. Didn't make it. We have another unsportsmanlike call rep. Number 6. Medyo umiinit po ang ating ball game. So that's part of the game. Pag medyo intense ang laban, talagang medyo emotions lumalabas. Pero andyan naman ang ating mga referee. So first free throw na Yumol. Out. Second attempt. Out pa rin. Medyo nararamdaman na yata ni Yumol yung pagod kasi kanina pasok lahat ng free throws niya for this third quarter. He missed 2 free throws already. Naku, inbound, Pineda, handling the ball, calling out the play to the shooter 21, back to Pineda, fakes and shoots, doesn't make it, balik kay Tumaliwan, blocked by number 23. So, traveling by 21. Tumaliwan. So, magta-trap pa rin po dito yung Systems Plus. Number 8 of CDS passes to number 9. 11 has the ball. Tries to drive, passes to 23. Still ni Tumaliwan. Pass break po tayo. And still, he misses. Medyo madami-dami na po ang sablay ni Tumaliwan. Sayang yung mga steal na nagagawa niya. Hindi nako-convert. Pineda for a pass break, number 16. Expect na po natin kay Pineda yan. 2 points. So 1-point lead na lang po ang CDS, 38-37. Ang bilis recover ng Systems Plus. Nagigpit din sila ng depensa. Sir Paolo?
Alam mo, doon ako na. At kapag ka umasinta, sigurado.
Sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan mag-adjust ni Coach Chuman. Well, as expected, nag-adjust siya, nakahabol sila ulit. So we now have a very close game again at 38-37 with 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Open shot for the shooter, Naku. Nag-rattle out ang bola. Sayang, open shot yon for a shooter. CDS on the offensive end. Number 8 dribbling. Pinasa kay number 23. Pasa kay number 8. Tries to drive. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Systems Plus. Pinasa ni Yumol kay Pineda but intercepted by number 2 of CDS. Sila naman ang magpapass break ngayon. Drop pass. Hindi nakuha ni number 23. Sayang. Sayang yung steal.
Alam mo, Coach Rudy, importante rin sa mga atleta yung bilis ng desisyon, no? Lalong-lalo na sa pagkamada mo ng pagpaplano. Kung pwede kasi sa isang iglap, mali ang plano mo, kapusing ka.
Oo, tama ka dyan, Sir Paolo. Actually, sa training namin, we have drills para ma-enhance yung decision-making skills ng mga bata, lalo na sa pass break. So, isa lang talaga ang principle dyan. You wait for the defense to commit, then you make the pass. If the defense doesn't commit, you go strong.
Ang ganda nun. Eto na. Hindi na
Time
maawa.
out, CDS.
Malimon lang tayo, Coach Rudy. Eto, ang puntos talagang
Ang bilis na shift ng momentum. Kanina, pinag-uusapan lang natin na blitzkrieg attack ng CDS. Lumamang sila kagad ng 8. Ngayon, paglingon ko sa'yo, lamang na ang Systems Plus ng 3. So, ganun po ka-intense yung laro natin in terms of scoring. Pero kudos sa dalawang teams, they still maintain the defense that they've been employing since the first quarter. Kaya low scoring po tayo dahil depensa po talaga ang pinapairal nila.
Mainit po itong laban, ano? At doon po sa mga followers ng UCAAP2018, maaari po ninyong i-like ang aming page, ang aming social media page sa Facebook, UCAAP2018. Paantabayanan niyo po ang mga laro sa amin din pong Facebook account. At maaari rin nyo mapanood sa YouTube itong semi-final round. Sa pagitan po yan ng Collegiate de Sebastian at Systems Plus College Foundation Junior Division. At malalaman natin na Coach Rudy kung sino ba ang mananaig dito. Kung sino ba ang lalabas ang 100% dito sa makulay na laban ng pinakamalaking paliga ng basketball dito sa Pampanga, UCAAP 2018. Sa mga susunod na taon, naaabangan talaga ito ng ating mga viewers at mga followers na nilikha. Siyempre, ni Vice Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Oo. Talagang in the future, lalaki at lalaki pa yung pa. Dito mo makikita yung importansya ni number 6 sa CDS, Sir Paolo. No? So, nung lumabas siya, doon kumamada yung Systems Plus. So, siguro naisip na ni Coach Jerry, kailangan na ibalik si Dalus. Kasi malaking bagay talaga siya para sa team nila in terms of defense and offense. Ayan, Dalus is now handling the ball. Trying to pass by Pineda. So we have a foul on Pineda, number 16 or number 6. So,
Kahit
due to a
maliit,
tight defense, minsan natatawagan ng foul.
kahit maliit itong mga to, maliliks itong mga to, Coach Rudy. Kita mo
Yan ang sinasabi natin. Pagbalik ni number 6, ni Dalus, i-score kagad. So, 1 point na lang ang lamang ng Systems Plus.
kayang makipagsabayan po nitong mamang ito sa mga higanting manlalaro ng Systems Plus.
Oo, kaya-kaya ni Dalus. Imagine, nagdadrive siya. Puro 6-footers yung sasalubong sa kanya, pero he would still make the shot. So, talagang buo ang puso nitong Dalus na to sa paglalaro ng basketball. What a shot by number 5. That's a 3-point shot by number 5 of CDS. Naku tries to drive. Misses. Number 5 goes for the rebound, but there's a foul. Foul on number 11.
Coach
So,
Rudy,
free throws.
hindi naiinip itong mga viewers natin mula dito sa Brenzy Giao. Alam mo, malingon ka lamang ng sandali. Hindi mo alam kung anong magiging kapalaran nitong dalawang kupunan na to. Lalong-lalo na pagka pinag-uusapan natin, semifinals.
Oh, diyan mo makikita talagang they deserve to be here. They deserve to be in the top 4. Talagang konting butas lang. they would manipulate the situation. Imagine, from an 8-point lead sa CDS, ngayon they're behind by 1. So, yung shift ng momentum, mabilis din. Yung intensity ng depensa, both teams has it. So, talagang ang matibay, matitira dito. Intercept by number 5. Fast break. Layup doesn't go in. They have the same ball. CDS ball. So mag-i-inbound po yung number 1 point guard ng Spears. Si Dalus, number 6. Pass to number 5. Balik kay number 6. Decides whether to shoot or layup. Binigay kay number 2. Fake and bank shot by number 2. That would be Simon. So si Simon, shooter din po yan. Si Simon. Pinasa ni Pineda kay number 21. Yun! Ang press. Dito maliwan. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, Coach, kapag shooter, tira ka na ng tira, papasok din yan. Ayan, pumasok na yung tira nito maliwan. Good shot.
Princess D Ventures Incorporated. Total commitment to providing quality and on-time services. Ang programang ito ay hatid din sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Choose the internet that you deserve. Experience better with Converge. And supported by Vice Governor Delta Pineda, developing youth through education, leadership training, talents, and athletics.